AI is changing everything. You hear it everywhere, in the news, on your phone, even in your smart home. But what is it really? In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how it works and why it matters more than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have ever felt confused about all the AI hype, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I will cover what AI actually is, how AI really works, and finally, why it matters to you. Whether you're curious or just confused, this video is for you. So let's get started. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? AI is a branch of computer science focused on building machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like learning, problem solving, decision making, and even creativity. In simple terms, AI is when machines can understand, decide, and act, often without detailed instructions from a human. Think of traditional computers as obedient assistants. They only do what you tell them. But AI systems are thinking assistants. They can figure things out on their own by learning from data. So I will give you an example about a normal program just follows your rules. For example, if a user clicks this, show that. But an AI program studies how people click, when they leave, and what works best, then improves itself automatically. So that's AI. Logic, learning, and adaptation working together. But here is where it gets interesting. How does it actually do that? It might sound like magic, but it's all about data and patterns. So I will tell you about 5 key steps to know how AI works. Step 1. Input. Data collection. AI starts by collecting massive amount of data. Videos, images, voice recordings, etc. Step 2. Training, learning patterns. Next, the AI is trained on that data using algorithms. Basically, sets of rules that find patterns and relationships. This is called machine learning. Step 3. Model, the digital brain. Once trained, the AI builds a model, a digital brain that recognizes similar patterns in new data it's never seen before. And this is the part most people miss. Step 4. Output. Taking action. Now, the AI is ready to act, depending on what it was trained to do. It might answer questions, recognize faces, transcribe your voice, or predict what video you'll watch next. Step 5. Feedback. Learning from mistakes. Some AI systems go further. They learn from feedback to improve over time. This is called reinforcement learning. It's how AI gets smarter the more it's used. Quick pause. If this is making sense so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI content. Alright, back to it. Okay, but why should you care? Because AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's already shaping your everyday life. The videos you watch on YouTube, the ads you see online, the music you listen to, the way you shop, even how companies hire. AI is quality working behind the scenes in almost everything you do. Understanding how AI works gives you the power to make smarter decisions, adapt faster, and maybe even build your own AI businesses or projects in the future. If this video helped clear up some confusion about AI, go ahead and give it a like and hit subscribe for more easy to understand videos about AI business, and tell me in the comments what do you want to learn about next. And that's it. Now you know what AI is, how it works, and why it matters. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.